Outstanding design defines the 2011 Ford Fiesta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-kilometer mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.